Let us now apply this definition and evaluation of inductive arguments. So determine the validity of this argument. So I'd like to present an argument for you, and I want you to determine its validity. Assume the premises are true and see if the conclusion follows. You should stop this recording and try it on your own. After pausing, then you can continue. Should I even give the answers? I don't like to talk about the answer. It has, you can see right now, I don't want to read the whole thing out there, okay? If you assume those premises are true, the word therefore becomes the word of inference, all right? And you see it's rain 30 years, it rained another year, and then the conclusion says it may not rain, okay? When you get to may not rain, obviously something is wrong. You have a pattern of rain, 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 and you say may not. In your brain, you think may and may not, might or might not are the same. No, you have lots of evidence for may, none for may not. So this argument is definitely what? Invalid, because you go in the wrong direction. Huh? You go in the wrong direction. You know, you establish the pattern, you must infer. And when you say it may rain, you leave open the possibility it might not rain, because you know the weather does whatever the weather wants. You turn the value of this argument. Again, pause it. What do you see? All right, did you get an answer? I'm gonna leave this one for up to you. I'm gonna go on to the next one. What about this one here? Again, pause the recording. Pause the tape. Here, if you look at it, I assume you're coming back right now. If you look at it, it's a little more awkward. You have notions of time, which is the Monday. You have notion of time, 2 hours, 1 hour. And then the statement, given that's already lied many times. This is a word of inference, all right? It says, if I assume what's in front of me are true, given that he's already lied, he probably will not lie. If you talk about lying, 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 how could you now go in the opposite direction? That seemed to, no, that's not, something is wrong here. This argument is invalid because this person has established a pattern of lying. Notice how arguments work. If you go only with the evidence that's given to you, there may be valid reason for Mark to be lying, and then maybe now the reason is gone, so now he's going to be telling the truth once again. But if you don't have that evidence, you go with what you have right now. When you evaluate an argument, you only go with the information you have right now. Any new information arise, you automatically have to reevaluate. You don't even have a choice. You must reevaluate. So there is an instantaneous answer, but which is subject to change instantly as you get more information. That is not even negotiable. You don't choose to reevaluate. It has to be done automatically. In this particular example, you're checking someone doing some work. Notice you don't know what kind of assignment it is, right? But there has been an elapse of time because progress was made initially. The first time, some amount of work, the second time. Now I'm about to check again. That's a double inference. You're referring to the same time units, okay? So the expectation for the conclusion is wrong. You did not move. You ought to expect more progress or completion, okay? But you expect from the exact same place. This move is also invalid, all right? I highly recommend you try these on your own, write them down on index cards, and then put them away, and then come back and see if you can do them by yourselves.